Okay, let's go.
Yeah, Livevybz.
I know I'm blessed.
Subscribe.
I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon, and I've done my best.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Not only you give me love, but make me nice. Come rewind. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Not only you give me love.
World big. World big.
Outside, yeah.
How would that? How that? How would that? Top girl, where am I? Top girl.
Gyalis Jay.
Spend cash for your boom boom, you
Link in bio.
Chromance jeans with the 2 grand kicks. Some bad dollar, you say with the full antics. Phone load up a gal, they will say pics. Slave master when we they pull up them whips. Got a social chippy, stack them chips. Can't make them your money, a fee boy con this. If you chatty binds, I go stitch them lips.
Yo, world thing, I got a swag pop tag. LV shows match with the Louis box. Me no mismatch, me no mix brand that wrong. If you step on my shoes, you step on 3 grand. Designer expensive, watch a Cartier. Chain this for far, make gyal draw near. Where we go?
Diabetic food with the rooftop drip. Chromance jeans with the 2 grand kicks. Some bad dollar, you say with the full antics. Phone load up a gal, they will say pics. Slave master when we they pull up them whips. Got a social chippy, stack them chips. Can't make them your money, a fee boy con this. If you chatty binds, I go stitch them lips.
World thing, I got a swag pop tag. LV
People, as they say, the house empty tonight from last week, so I just finished the bottle. That is it. Let me just get ready real quick. We're not there long enough, not even 10 minutes. But I have to just look right how we have it, you know? So solo dolo in the studio tonight, people. Thanks for tuning in. This your boy Gyalis. I was trying to yeah, this your boy Gyalis Jay. And we're there tonight, you know, so the vibes are always there every Friday. But today we have another severe weather warning, so because the team them for everybody I try to play it safe tonight because bad weather. And the football know I fuck with it since last week, so we are trying, you know. But we had a lot of interested topics we were supposed to touch tonight, so we're gonna push that back to next week. But some of the topics, I'm gonna give you a little heads up so next week you can be prepared for the conversation. We're gonna get more into our conspiracy theories, just everybody's belief or knowledge of what they have of the earth, the world, themselves, humanity, religion, whatever. That's what we was gonna get a deep dive into tonight with the entire gang. But because of the weather, maybe I do it. But for now, I just wanna say, I told y'all even if I'm here by myself, I was gonna turn the live on to let y'all know I was here to work, but for unforeseen circumstances, y'all seeing me dolo. But yeah, what do you think I go on, man? And even some topics about even some topics about the people lashing out on social media, not knowing how to separate their personal feelings along with their what they call it, opinions in life, you know. A lot of crash outs been going on the internet, but we're going to address all of that. But since, let me say, I'm here dolo this week, we're going to push that the next week. And I just want to say again, thanks for everybody that's been focused and staying with us since the year started. And know some promises that I'm not going to miss a Friday regardless if I'm dolo or not. And if I do, it has to be because I'm unhealthy. So, with that being said, I'm going to do a toast to the weekend. I was here last week and I'm here again this week. Shout out to the Livevybz team, Dr. Soa, DQ Diamond, 350 or 340 Dre. Shout out to Rumbass International. Nate, shout out to you, same way. Who else in the team again? Shout out to Livevybz. Speedy recovery, bro. Speedy fucking recovery. Yeah, keep the Livevybz family in your prayers. And definitely shout out to Bucky too. Uncle Beans, Shot Dog, the whole team. We're normally here and not here. So I said this is just my toast. I just came on to give y'all a toast. And tune back in next week. So, guys, until next week, it's your boy Gyalis Jay. This is Vybz Friday. It's just a dole of vibes tonight. But if you do follow me on TikTok, catch me over there because that's where I'm going to go, you know, get more interactive over here. But like I said, until next week, catch you guys.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, Livevybz.
I know I'm blessed.
Right.
But I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon. And I've done my best.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice. Come rewind. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love.
World big. World big.
Outside. Yeah.
Beat.
How
would that? How that? How would that? Top girl, where am I? Top girl.
Gyalis Jay.
Spend cash for your pum pum, you
Link in bio.
Chroma scenes with the 2 grand kicks. Some bad dolly, yes, with the full antics. Phone load up a gal, they will say pics. Slave master when we they pull up them whips. Got a social chippy stack them chips. Can't make them your money, a fee boy con this. If you chatty binds, I go stitch them lips.
Yo, world thing, I got a swag pop tag. LV shows match with the Livevybz. Me no mismatch, me no mix brand that wrong. If you step on my shoes, you step on 3 grand. Designer expensive, watch a Cartier. Chain glisten from far, make yellow draw near. Where we go?